Here we are now talking about Enzyme Wizard's Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Probably fast becoming one of our best products, and people love it. The few features of the product are the fact that it's a multi-enzyme formula. And when we talk about that, it's designed to break down all organic matter. Unlike old school bacteria-based enzymes, where you actually have specific enzymes for specific matter, being plant-derived, this technology is designed to stabilize all the enzymes in the one formula. What you find with cleaners when they come along and find a stain on the carpet, they're actually really not sure what the stain is. Is it blood? Is it red wine? Is it ink? Is it vomit, urine, feces, whatever it might be? So the cleaner's not really sure which product they need to clean that specific stain. What Enzyme Wizard is able to do is stabilize all our enzymes in one formula. This guarantees that whatever that stain is on the carpet, the right enzyme's in the formula. So it guarantees and takes the guessing work out for the cleaner. The second part of the technology is we talk about the products being pH neutral. Where this means is that water is pH neutral, and if any surface or carpet can take water, they can take this product and be safe. Also safe to be used around children, safe to be used around pets, and obviously for the cleaners as well. Nothing's going to irritate their hands or skin or respiratory system. The third part that we talk about with the carpet and upholstery cleaner is the fact that there's no soap residue. The thing with cleaning with soap is the fact that when you've gone and done your job, there's always residue left behind in the carpet. What happens with that though is you might have taken away the stain, but with soap residue left behind and you come along and walk on that stain, you're actually pushing the fibres down together. Over a period of time, then you come along with a vacuum cleaner and you're having trouble pulling up a lot of filth from down below because it's trapped in the fibres. What the carpet and upholstery cleaner does is it takes away the stain on the top layer, but it also leaves no residue behind. And with that, when you come along later on with a vacuum, the enzymes have broken down all the filth and fibres and all the grime and soap residue that's stuck in the fibres. So when the vacuum comes along, you're actually lifting up a lot more filth from down below and the fibres are standing on end. It actually makes your vacuum cleaner work and look like it's actually working a lot more efficiently. Also with the Enzyme Wizard Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, you're not just taking away the top layer of the stain, but the enzymes are actually soaking down into the plush of the pile where the stain often resonates from. So we're removing it at the top and also at the bottom and remove for good. We have a lot of people using this product actually on mattresses. If a child has actually peed itself or the elderly, incontinence, there's a lot of that unfortunately. Now you've got a safe natural product to clean the mattress and remove the stains and the odours on the mattress. There's a whole variety of possibilities that can be achieved with the Enzyme Wizard technology. Another market that we've actually found being very useful for the Enzyme Wizard Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is curtains. Even you could be using it on clothes before you tip it straight into the washing machine. Car upholstery, where you've had dogs or cats or things like that in your car. This will help eliminate all the odours and all the filth that might be left behind on car seats. So it's actually endless of what this technology can achieve.